Meaning of force out.
Force out.
Force out.
Force out.
Force out. Force out refers to a situation in which an individual is compelled to leave their role or position, whether by their own choice or by the actions of others. This can occur due to various factors such as poor performance, violation of rules or policies, or conflicts with colleagues. The outcome of a force out may result in negative consequences for the individual, such as damage to their reputation or difficulty finding future employment opportunities. In some cases, however, a force out could be a necessary measure to preserve the integrity and productivity of an organization.